What's up guys, my giveaway has just started, so participate through the first link in the description. You have a chance to win an amazing fantasy Unreal Engine 5 environment asset. It looks amazing as you can see, so go ahead and check out through the link in order to participate. In order to participate, you have a few options over here, and of course, the more you do, the more chances you have of winning. So you can follow me on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitch, and join my Discord server. Now, by the ones that say visit, here's a disclaimer, and you actually need to follow, okay? If not, it will not count, okay? Even though it will pop up as an entry at the final, basically prize winner selection, it will not count, so you will not get picked if so, okay? So make sure to follow. With that said, this giveaway will be active during 1 week, so until the next June 4th, which probably I will be doing a live stream announcing the winner, as I did with my last giveaway. And make sure to tune in. So you have a whole week to do so, but that's a short amount of time, so go ahead and participate right now, link in the description. With all that said, see you in the Discord server if you have any questions or whatever, and good luck to everyone. So bye bye.